Good Wednesday morning. This arrived yesterday, but I was making pizza. And I gotta say, I thought it was gonna be light, but it is really light. And it's a carbon steel pan from the 80s. It's like a little camping pan, so it should be light. I thought it might be the same weight as my cowboy skillet. We'll have to bring that out and compare. But I think the cowboy skillet has a much longer handle. So this is from the 80s. I think it's a Spanish brand. Can't quite... A Spanish brand. I think it's a Spanish brand. And we'll have to... I haven't bought a carbon steel pan in a long time because I've got a bunch. But this looked cute. And it's supposed to be a 7-inch skillet. I love 7-inch for eggs. Oh, but it is so light. The box weighs nothing. Let's do it. Let's pull it out. And it's supposed to have stickers on it. It's missing a sticker from the ad. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is one lightweight mofo. Oh, it looks nice, though. Got the antique kind of handle. I'm sure this gets really hot. Oh, see, it's missing a sticker. I'm going to have to show you a picture of the sticker because it says what to do. How to season it just like cast iron, but this is in Spanish. Cubasa. It's supposed to be from the 80s. That is one really light pan. All right. Make sure that this isn't wet. Let me get my tape measure. I thought we could make some eggs. I used to make a lot of eggs. It is indeed a 7-inch pan. It's got a little bit of a spin, but that won't matter on my coil. No, it sits perfectly good on the coils. Actually, it fits the coil perfectly. It's funny that the handle feels heftier than the pan. And it is marked 18. Why is that marked 18? This would be an excellent camping skillet, I have to say. All right. We have to get that label off. That's going to be, if this is from the 80s, it's going to be really difficult. Maybe not. It's coming off. What can you do? Whatever. You got to take the label off if you're going to use it. Something in baños. Cubetas y Baños. Cubetas y Baños. To be continued.
wipe it all out. You want it to appear dry because there's still oil on there that you can't see.
Back in the oven. Let's go 45 minutes. It's thin metal.
Still a little warm. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's pretty. You know what? I paid $15 for this, shipped. It is very lightweight, but that's one round in the oven. I'll probably do one more round and maybe just heat it up on the stove with some oil. Isn't that a... Oh, it's cool. Look at this. You know what? It's a lightweight carbon steel pan. It's kind of pretty. We're gonna have to make some eggs tomorrow morning.
Man! Why? Why? Gee!
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, never the same. Golden sunlight. I'm going with you, and I will get to the other side.
Good Thursday. That went pretty well. It's a really cute pan and the handle didn't get hot. Huh. Yes, it did. Let's see if we have some yolk. It's the first time cooking in that pan. Oh. Okay. Huh. Mmm. Yummy! Sausage. Oh. Mmm. Hey! I usually get a little bit more solid on top, but this is like Pancake House. Mmm. Mmm. Hey! One more egg shot. Oh. Burst of yolk. This is a better one. It's more cooked on top. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Mmm. Very nice. Mmm. A little bit of salt. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Thanks for watching.